How to recover a TikTok account without phone number and email. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial. In order to recover your TikTok account without phone number and email, open the TikTok application on your device and go to the login page. Here you will see the question mark icon. Tap on that and then tap on the Recover Your Account option. Now select the account you want to recover, or you can also tap on the TikTok username option and then enter the username in order to recover your account and tap on Next. On the bottom of your screen, you will see the Need Help option. Tap on that. In the text box that appears, type in your issue here and make sure to be more informative and descriptive while typing in your problem for quicker responses from TikTok. You can also simply copy whatever I have written here. Include attachments like screenshots or screen recordings as a proof. Now tap on Submit. With this, your problem has been reported. You will receive a notification from TikTok regarding your issue soon, and your issue will be fixed. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.